Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to translate or rename any string in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page. Now you see out of stock, and then you see additional information. So we are going to translate by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in custom code you see case, and then you see text out of stock. Go to single product page. Now you see out of stock, so we copy this and then paste here and translate it to product specification. So you can add your text here. So now we change text, and then you see another case, additional information. Go to single product page. Now you see additional information text, back to code, and then you see translated to product specification. So if you want you can add more cases. Just copy this and then paste. So you can add your string here, and then you can translate string according to your requirement. Now remove. So in case you can add correct string. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to single product page. Now refresh the page. Now you see out of stock changed to product not available. Scroll down, you see product specification. Before it was additional information. So you can add correct string in case, and then you can translate according to your requirement, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.